In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a HubSpot certificate. If you're looking to enhance your skills and gain a recognized certification, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. To begin, the first thing you need to do is access HubSpot Academy. Open your preferred web browser and type HubSpot Academy into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears to take you directly to the HubSpot Academy website. Once you're on the home page, look for the prompt that invites you to sign up for free courses. This will give you access to a wealth of educational content at no cost. Next, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to either create a new account or log in if you already have an existing account. After entering your details, click on Continue with this user to proceed. You'll then be prompted to verify and finalize your account setup by clicking on Continue with this account. With your account all set up, it's now time to explore the certifications available. Navigate to the certification section and begin browsing the vast selection. You can use the search bar to filter specific topics that interest you, such as marketing, sales, CRM, inbound, or content marketing. Once you find a topic that grabs your attention, click on it to view more details about the available certification courses. Deciding on a course is crucial, as this will help guide your learning journey. Once you've picked your course, enroll by clicking on the course title. This will automatically add it to your dashboard, making it easily accessible. As you proceed through the course, remember to watch each video session carefully and complete any quizzes provided at the end of lessons. For some certifications, practical exercises are required, so be prepared to apply what you've learned in a hands-on way. The final hurdle before certification is passing the final exam. Each course culminates in an assessment, often in the form of multiple choice questions, where a passing score of 75% or higher is the norm. Dedicate time to review your notes and any additional resources provided before attempting the exam to increase your chances of success. Upon passing your final exam, you'll be awarded an official HubSpot certificate. You have the option to download this as a PDF document for personal records or to effortlessly add it to your LinkedIn profile with just a click. Not only does this amplify your professional profile, it also showcases your commitment to continuous learning and excellence in your field. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning a HubSpot certificate, which can open doors to new opportunities and enhance your professional credibility. Happy learning, and best of luck with your certification journey.